Welcome to House Lux Estate, your comprehensive guide to real estate investment. We're dedicated to making property investment as clear as crystal for everyone. Today, we're diving into a thought-provoking question that many grapple with. Is buying a house a good investment? We'll dissect this topic, examining the pros and cons, and giving you the insights you need to make informed decisions. So, whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to find out if buying a house is a good investment for you. Before we delve into the topic, it's crucial to understand what real estate investment entails. So, what exactly is it? In layman's terms, real estate investment is the purchase, ownership, management, rental, or sale of real estate for profit. It's an investment strategy where an investor places money into property with the expectation of future financial returns. There are several types of real estate investments to consider. First, we have residential real estate. This includes properties like houses, apartments, townhouses, and vacation homes where a person or family pays you to live in the property. The length of their stay is based on the rental agreement or lease they've signed with you. Next, there's commercial real estate. This involves larger-scale properties like office buildings, shopping centers, and industrial warehouses. Here, you're dealing with businesses who are paying rent. These leases can be longer and lead to greater cash flow, but it can also come with more complex negotiations and regulations. And of course, each type of real estate investment comes with its own potential rewards and risks. The rewards can be significant. They include cash flow from rental income, appreciation of property value over time, and tax benefits. However, there are risks as well. Real estate is not a liquid asset, meaning it can't be quickly converted to cash. It requires ongoing management and maintenance, and there's the potential for property damage, bad tenants, or vacancies. Then, there's the risk of market fluctuations, where property values can decrease due to economic conditions. Understanding these types of real estate investments, along with the potential rewards and risks, is an integral part of deciding whether buying a house is a good investment for you. It's about more than just owning a piece of property. It's about making informed decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Now that you have a basic understanding of real estate investment, let's move on to the main question. Several factors influence whether buying a house is a good investment. Let's dive into these factors to help you make an informed decision. First off, location is key. A property in a thriving neighborhood with excellent schools, good infrastructure, and easy access to amenities like shopping centers and hospitals can be a solid investment. It's not just about the present, but the potential future growth of the area. Areas with planned infrastructure developments or upcoming commercial projects may see property values rise. Next, market conditions play a significant role. A buyer's market, where supply outpaces demand, could present opportunities for savvy investors to buy properties at lower prices. Conversely, a seller's market where demand exceeds supply might mean inflated prices and a tougher buying environment. It's crucial to understand the market dynamics at play when you're planning to invest. Thirdly, interest rates. Lower interest rates make borrowing cheaper, which can increase the demand for homes. But remember, interest rates can be a double-edged sword. While low rates can make monthly payments more manageable, they can also inflate home prices as more people are able to afford to borrow. Now, let's talk about the property's condition. A house that needs little to no repairs can be a good investment because it means less money spent on renovations. However, a fixer-upper in a great location could also be a golden opportunity, provided you have the resources and time to make the necessary improvements. Lastly, your personal financial situation is a vital factor. Investing in real estate requires a significant amount of capital up front, and the ongoing costs of ownership can be substantial. It's essential to have a strong financial footing and a clear understanding of the costs involved before plunging into home ownership. Keep these factors in mind when considering whether to invest in a house. Remember, a good investment isn't just about the potential returns, but also about how well it fits into your overall financial plan and lifestyle. Buying a house comes with several advantages. Let's delve deeper into some of these benefits, shall we? Firstly, there's the potential for appreciation. Real estate is a tangible asset that, historically, tends to increase in value over time. So if you buy a house today, there's a good chance it will be worth more a few years down the line. Next, let's talk about rental income. If you choose to rent out your property, you can enjoy a steady stream of income each month. This can help offset your mortgage payments and over time can even turn into a profitable venture. Plus, rental income tends to rise with inflation, so your earning potential can increase over time. Now, on to tax benefits. Homeownership comes with several tax deductions that renters don't have access to. This includes mortgage interest, property taxes, and some home improvement expenses. These deductions can potentially save you thousands of dollars each year. Lastly, there's the control you have over your property. When you own a home, you have the freedom to make changes as you see fit. Want to paint the walls a new color? Go for it. Thinking about adding a deck? You're the boss. This control over your living space can greatly enhance your quality of life, but it's not just about the financial benefits and freedom. Owning a home can provide a sense of stability and security. It's a place to call your own, to create memories, to grow, and to build a life. It's a long-term commitment that can provide a sense of accomplishment and pride. So, as you can see, buying a house comes with several advantages, from potential appreciation and rental income to tax benefits and control over the property. And let's not forget the emotional benefits that come with calling a place your own. However, it's not all rosy. Let's look at the potential downsides. Like any investment, buying a house has its disadvantages. Let's dive into some of these potential drawbacks to give you a well-rounded perspective. First off, maintenance costs. Unlike renting, where your landlord covers most repairs, as a homeowner, the responsibility falls squarely on your shoulders. The furnace breaks down in the middle of winter? That's on you. The roof leaks during a heavy storm? You'll foot the bill. These costs can add up over the years and eat into your potential return on investment. Next up, property taxes. These pesky expenses can be a significant drain on your wallet. They vary widely based on location and the value of your home, but they're an inevitable part of homeownership. And the kicker? They can increase over time, often faster than your income or the inflation rate. Thirdly, potential depreciation. While real estate generally appreciates over time, there are no guarantees. Local economies can tank, neighborhoods can go downhill, natural disasters can strike. Any of these factors can lead to your property losing value, which could mean selling at a loss if you need to move. Lastly, lack of liquidity. Real estate is not like a stock or a bond that you can sell off at a moment's notice if you need cash. Selling a home can take months, even in a hot market. If you're in a tight spot and need to sell quickly, you might have to accept a lower price, further eroding your investment. And let's not forget the potential for stress. Dealing with repairs, negotiating with buyers or sellers, worrying about property values, all of this can take a toll on your peace of mind. So while buying a house can be a good investment, it's not without its risks and challenges. It's crucial to weigh these disadvantages against the potential benefits before making your decision. These are some of the potential downsides to consider. Take your time, do your research, and ensure you're making the best choice for your financial future. So, is buying a house a good investment? Well, we've come a long way in our discussion today. We've taken a deep dive into the world of real estate, and we've explored the factors that can influence whether a house purchase is a good investment or not. We've seen that there are clear advantages to buying a house, like the potential for capital growth and the security of owning your own home. But we've also acknowledged that there can be downsides, like the risks associated with property market fluctuations and the responsibilities of homeownership. What we've learned is that the answer isn't a simple yes or no. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. The decision to invest in a house is an individual one, influenced by personal circumstances, financial goals, and lifestyle choices. It's about weighing up the potential rewards against the risks and making a choice that aligns with your long-term plans. Perhaps you're drawn to the stability and security that comes with owning your own home. Or maybe you're motivated by the potential for financial gain. Perhaps you're looking for a tangible investment, something you can see and touch, rather than an abstract number in a bank account or stock portfolio. Ultimately, whether buying a house is a good investment for you depends on your personal situation and objectives. So take the time to consider your options carefully, seek expert advice if needed, and make the decision that feels right for you. That's it for today's video. We appreciate you tuning in and hope you found our discussion on house buying as an investment insightful. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. For more insightful discussions and tips on real estate investment, do subscribe to House Lux Estate. Remember, investing in real estate is a big decision. Make it wisely. Until next time, this is House Lux Estate, your partner in smart real estate investment.